Lovely people, you are welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to make some breadcrumbs. Yes, breadcrumbs. You need it for yam balls. You need it also when you want to coat your chicken and other recipes that require for breadcrumbs. So we are going to learn how to make smooth breadcrumbs, and all that you need when it comes to breadcrumbs is your bread. Therefore, we have bread available, and what I usually do is I remove the back. I don't like seeing my breadcrumbs brown. I want to see it white or cream color. So that's what I'm doing. I am removing the back, everything. So when I remove it, I just spread it on the tray. I'll just spread it on the tray and bake it. So that's what I'm doing, spreading it on the baking sheets. Then I'll go and bake it, but make sure that you set your oven very low. The lowest temperature on your oven, that is what you have to use to bake your breadcrumbs. You don't want to get it burnt. All that we need is for it to be very crispy, very dry. Yes. Okay, so we are checking on our breadcrumbs now, and now it's dried. We'll check if there are other ones that are not completely dried. If there are soft ones in, we just set them aside and then work on the dry ones. So for this one is fully dry, so we'll just take it out and then we'll take it to the food processor and work on it. We just take it to the food processor and work on it. So we are going to put everything in the food processor and grind it very well. When we grind and it's not smooth, we'll use a strainer to strain it. And so we'll put everything, we are doing it bit by bit. As we blend, we will add more to it. We'll add the rest to it and then make sure that we blend everything very well. We need to get it very smooth. So we are going to add the remaining ones to it. Also blend it very smooth. Blend everything together, and after we will strain it. So that is what we are doing now. We are blending our dried or dehydrated bread into a powder form. Okay, so it's not smooth. When you check it, it has some roughness in it. So we are going to strain it, then we'll get the smooth powder out, and then we'll grind the remaining ones. We are done straining, and it's very smooth, just like a powder form. It's very smooth. So we are going to grind this one again, but if after grinding we still don't get it smooth, we are not going to use the food processor again. This time around we will use our small grinder to complete the grinding. So we'll strain this one, and what will remain in it, we'll use the small grinder to complete the grinding. So that's what we are doing now. We have strained it, and this is what we have left. So we are adding, and we are going to use that one to grind it into a very smooth powder, and then we will add it to already grinded and strained. Then we are almost done with our breadcrumbs. So yes, this is very smooth, very, very, very smooth. We don't need to grind it again, we don't need to strain it. So we are adding it to the first batch. So this is our breadcrumbs so far. Please give it a try and you will love it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, share the video, like and comment. Thanks so much for being part of our breadcrumbs recipe today. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thanks for sharing. God bless you. Bye bye.